So you want to get started with the SuperJoy, but there's just too many buttons on this thing? Well, we made it a little bit easier for you. So if you come and look at the SuperJoy, there's actually two different modes here. So you'll see that there is a basic mode and a matrix mode. So let's get started, and we zoom out, we can show off the basic mode. So we're going to press that once, and you'll see that you are now able to highlight specific buttons on the interface here. So this is going to just highlight the key functionality and actually disable all the other buttons on the SuperJoy so that none of these will be affected if you have a volunteer or you have someone that's just getting started, like in morning announcements. If you have a student who's not used to using a SuperJoy, well, turn on the basic mode and they can actually still control their camera with the basic mode using the joystick. They can still trigger presets with the basic mode. If they click on one of the presets, they can instantly trigger them, and they can still use the joystick. Now, you can also use basic mode by disabling the joystick. So if I press it one more time, now it's disabled with the joystick. I'm trying to turn it, I'm trying to move the camera, but you're not able to. So this is great for those setups where you're just trying to use presets. You're not going to use any manual control with the joystick at all. And then if you want to turn off basic mode, you can just press it one more time. And now you have functionality over the entire SuperJoy, including the joystick as well. Alrighty, now let's look at the next mode. This is the matrix mode on the SuperJoy. Now the matrix mode's a little bit different. This is for a focused control of up to 3 cameras. So if we zoom out on the SuperJoy here and I press matrix mode, you'll notice that there's this grid here. There is a 3x3 grid. Now this is if you are using 3 different cameras and you want 3 presets for each camera. It's going to make it really simple. So this 3x3 grid is creating a preset grid for 3 different cameras with 3 presets. So the first 3 buttons is your camera 1, preset 1, 2, and 3. Camera 2 is 1, 2, and 3. And then camera 3's preset 1, 2, and 3. So this allows you to quickly go in, and for 3 cameras, you don't need to worry about, oh, am I switching between camera 4 or which one was camera 6? Now this makes it really easy, so you know that the first row is 1, the second row is camera 2, and the third row is camera 3, preset 1 through 3. So this are 2 really easy, simple modes. You just press matrix mode one more time, and it disables that entirely. So just like that, if you hold the button, it'll turn off matrix mode, and then you're good to go. So those are 2 quick modes in terms of the SuperJoy. The SuperJoy is a great controller for up to 255 cameras, and it supports 255 presets as well. So check out the SuperJoy at PTZOptics.com/SuperJoy to learn more, and we'll see you very soon.